Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on your VirtualBox step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to start a career in cybersecurity. I'll explain every step clearly, so even if you have no prior experience, you'll be able to understand and follow the steps. So let's get started. Open your browser, search kali.org. This is the official distribution page for Kali Linux. Click on download. Click on installer images. You can directly download over here. I will already installed on my laptop. So let's get started by setting on your VirtualBox. Click on new. Set your VM name as Kali 1. I'll keep Kali 1. Keep the VM folder same. Select your ISO image. Set OS as Linux. OS distribution as Debian. OS version Debian 64-bit. I'll keep the base memory according to my laptop specifications. Number of cores. Okay. Click on finish. Now click on start. It is powering up the virtual machine. Wait until it sets up. Okay. Click on graphical install. Select the language. Select your location or region. Configuring your keyboard. Okay. Now it is installing the media. Now it is detecting the network hardware. It will take time according to a laptop system speed. So keep the host name as Kali. Domain name, I'll keep it empty. So full name for user. I'll keep the username same. Now it is detecting the disks. Okay. For beginners, click on the guided use entire disk. Continue. All files in one partition, recommended for new users. Continue. So finish partitioning and write changes on the disk. Continue. So I'll want to write the changes on the disk. Click on yes. Continue. So it is now installing the base system. It will take some time. Now it's configuring the packet manager. Okay. Installing the software. Okay. Software selections. So over here, the selected parts are desktop environment, XFCE, and collection of tools, top 10, default. So I'll keep it same. It is now retrieving the files. Yes, the installation is now complete and the sound. Now it is installing the grub bootloader. Okay, so it starts asking you that you want to install a grub bootloader. So click on yes, click on continue. Select the virtual disk, click on continue. Now it will boot with the bootloader. Okay, so the installation is complete. It's asking you to reboot. Continue. Finishing the installation. Yep. The setup is now complete. Now we will log in into the machine. Okay. Enter your login credentials over here. Yep, that's all. Now you are good to go. You can use this machine to perform ethical hacking, cybersecurity labs, or any kind of learning related to cybersecurity. Thanks a lot for watching this video.